Hi, Lego fan 145 here, and today I'm going to be showing you my Lego gumball machine. I have a photo with me, and here's the key. This gumball's in there, just to give you a view. Try to reach in. This was the candy cups. Reach in with your finger. Nothing happens. I don't know how many pegs it is, but it is pretty long, close to a foot long. Put this in. Coin, key, and 2 gumballs come out. Show you again. Coins in there. So get the coin out, quarter out, and reload it. Drop the gumballs in here. And I'll show you the mechanism after this time. Push it in. Sometimes you have to pay 25 cents for both gumballs. So now I'll show you the mesh. Second. So, load it up with 1 or 2 gumballs. So you put the gumballs up in here, put the coin in, hits them, and they both come out. So, Lego fan 145 signing off. Bye. Hope you enjoyed it. Rate, comment, subscribe.